In the previous tutorial, we split that body into two main parts, and third part is the splitting extruded surface here. So now, after we could split this part, we are able to delete what we don't want. So to do that, you can go to the insert, features, there you have delete body. So you can select that body, for example, or first let's try to delete this part after we splitted it in the previous tutorial. So if you don't know how we split that part, you can see the previous tutorial. So when you're done, click OK. So we deleted that part. So we have now these two splitted parts. As you see here, if you want to delete further more parts, you can also repeat that option, features, delete body, select the body, delete. So you have that part. So now you are able to save them in separated files. Save this part in one file and the other in a second file.